A postponed question cannot be postponed by the minister. The minister should go out. Only
Because,
in
sir,
absence
no,
of minister under Rule
Vijay
46, he can postpone a postponed question.
No, no,
This is regarding a coal block.
Vijay Rao,
This is a massive scam.
Because, sir,
postpone करून जायना कशें
because, sir,
under which rules? Cite the rules.
माझा प्रश्न 1A dated 30th
तो-
March 2021.
तोच तो सांगता.
Reply was given on the floor of the House on 30th March 2021. Applies to the coal block, which we have alleged is a scam of more than 1,000 crores. आम्ही त्याचा विषय घेतलो त्याने हाळो आणि सेट पोस्टपोन करून
it cannot be
आज
postponed.
स्पीकर सर वो रिप्लाय आशिल्लो आज तुम्ही म्हाका सकाळी सांगता की दिस इज पोस्टपोन अगेन
No, no, no.
तुमचे प्रोविजन खंयचे
Because,
It is
sir,
your provision
there are three
postpone
rules.
answered postponed question.
एक minute. There are three
One
rules.
is coal
Rule
block.
number 46, which says that the postponement can be due to the absence of minister. Minister is very much present. Vishwajit Ranek, alter ego na. Duplicate Vishwajit ka na, तोच तो Vishwajit. Rule number 49(2) states that it can be postponed to a later date, but not beyond the last date of this session. And rule number 49(3), information can't be given in public interest. कसले public interest? You have already given us.
Public interest?
You have already given us.
Answer दिले जो म्हाका.
दिले तुम्ही. Where is the question? Under which
Yes, sir,
rule?
under which rule?
Under
have
which
you
rules you are
postponed
doing
this postponed star LAQ, which was replied on 30th, but not come on the. He didn't answer it on the in the assembly in the well of the house, and now he is seeking postponement again. खंयच्या प्रोविजनाच्या अंडर? खंयच्या प्रोविजनाच्या अंडर?
Speaker,
sir.
Speaker, sir, according to Secretary Legislature,
rule?
this
Which
can
rule?
be under 49.
Which rule?
Can be under Rule 49(2), it can be reposted.
No. 49(2) we will read to you. Speaker sir, I will read 49(2) to him. 49(2) clear cut बरेले हा. A question shall be replied on the date on which it is listed. If the information required by the member is not available, the minister shall state the position accordingly. The speaker may allow such further time, provided that the question listed for reply is on the last date, may be allowed to be postponed to the first date of the next session.
Next session.
It should be within the last date. You can't go beyond that. तो wrong provision
Because
सांगता.
GIDC चो ब्लॉक 31 ऑक्टोबर 2021 दिलो थंयच्यान तुम्ही नाटकां केली GIDC तुम्ही गव्हर्नमेंट has got into GIDC. You have put a consultant who is under CBI scanner. We are alleging a scam which can be seen here. तातून डिले कोणे केलो सरकारान केलो स्पीकर सर. CBI ची केसीन कोण कसो इन्वॉल्व आसा ताजे पेपर लास्ट टाइम दिले. GFR 194 सरकार वापरता विदाउट ऑथॉरिटी एंड प्रोविजन आणि आज आम्ही बरं डिस्कशन मागता ऑन आन्सर विच वॉज गिवन बाय यू ऑन 30th मार्च. कसो ना?
पण ते पोस्टपोनमेंट मागला त्यांनी सप्टेंबरान धाडला.
Speaker, sir.
आमकां खबर आहा किती चल्ला ते.
Speaker, sir, हे करून दिले.
MDO फिक्स करपाक पावणी चालू आहा. गोंय पावणेर काडला आणि कोळसो म्हणून आहा तातून रॅकेट असताच. कोळशान सगळे कोळशांनी रॅकेट आहा.
कसं रिप्लाय कित्याक ना?
ट्रान्सपोर्ट करता ते कोळशान रॅकेट आहा. हातूनय रॅकेट आहा. स्पीकर सर, हातून हो क्वेश्चन असो आहा की दिस रिक्वायर्ड कसली ती गॅरंटी इटसेल्फ ऑफ हाऊ मेनी क्रोड्स? कितली ताजी 163 crores. फक्त तुझी परफॉर्मन्स गॅरंटी आहा. म्हळ्यार 1000 कोटी रुपयाचे स्कॅम हे स्पीकर. आणि हे स्कॅमाचो क्वेश्चन हो कसोच आन्सर करना मंत्री. कितें जालें ताका म्हाका कळना. इन्फॉर्मेशन तुवें दिलां, RTI तूं मेळटा आणि यू आर सायटिंग द रॉंग रूल्स. स्पीकर सर, हू एडवायजीस द गव्हर्नमेंट? वी वूड लायक अ व्हाईट पेपर ऑन हू एडवायजीस यू.
स्पीकर सर GFR अर्जन्सीचो जालो.
कोण एडवायस करता तुमकां?
नाही तुवें GFR वापरलो अर्जन्सीचो. आता जाले दॅट 2 वर्सां खंयची अर्जन्सी?
The minister has postponed the question. I am going for the citation one. Hey. Jay Sargogar. House is adjourned up to 1 o'clock.